Hello YouTube. In this episode, we will show you how to control an Android device from our MacBook. Sometimes we need to show something on our phone during presentation, exhibition, etc. But heck, we don't use iPhone, so we can't mirror our screen to nearest Apple device. Not only projecting display, even better, we can control the Android by the mouse and keyboard. Even we can copy and paste from Android to the Mac, or vice versa. Here I open a sample Ionic and capacitor application, built also in M1 Mac. I open it using the trackpad. Another sample, I open an application built using React Native, also built on this M1 Mac. I can open it using trackpad from my Mac. Here, I shake the phone to raise the debugging tools and options. Once opened, I can select using trackpad. Back to home, it's easier being done from the phone. By adjusting some parameters, the delay between the phone and the Mac will be minimum. You can also copy and paste from Mac to the phone. Here I simply select some text and paste it into phone's Google search. You can use Command-C and Command-V as usual. Here is the how-to. 1. Make sure you already have Brew installed. Check in the description about the details. 2. From the terminal, type this, brew install strcpy and press enter. 3. Then type this, brew install cask android platform tools and press enter. 4. Activate debugging option in your Android. 5. Connect the Mac to your Android. Here I use Wi-Fi ADB, so from the terminal, type ADB connect phone IP address. Press confirmation on the phone when asked. If you use a cable, type this, ADB space USB and press enter. 6. Run the strcpy from the terminal, strcpy M800B2M and press enter. 7. Enjoy. You can adjust the parameters to get the best performance. It's better using a cable than wireless connection between the Mac and the phone.